Hey Mustangs, tonight we're going over independent and dependent variables. So if you could turn to this page in your iPod, we can go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to fill out is this graphic organizer here. In our first box, we want to put changing the independent variable and in our arrow we want to say causes change in the and in our right box we're going to put dependent variable. So let's go ahead and read that again. Changing the independent variable causes change in the dependent variable. Let's write that another way underneath here. The dependent variable depends on the independent variable. When we talk about our x and y, one is always going to be independent and one is always going to be dependent. So x is always the independent variable. X is also known as the input. And an independent and an input, we both have the I in there. So x is always the independent variable. That means that y is always the dependent variable. And remember, it's going to depend on something. Our y is the output. So another way of saying this is what you get out depends on what you put in. That's all the notes for tonight. All we wanted to do was talk about a brief definition of independent and dependent variables. Make sure you bring your iPod to class tomorrow because we're going to be doing a card sort that extends on this topic right underneath this graphic organizer. Y'all have a great night.